Hey kids, let's learn shapes, colors and numbers of the clock with the help of this wooden puzzle. Oh no, the pieces of my puzzles are gone. Let's find them in these colorful bowls. Let's check the green bowl. Wow, this is number 1. It's green in color. O-N-E 1. This is number 1. It's green in color. O-N-E 1. Let's find number 2. Maybe in the purple bowl? No, I think it's in an orange bowl. Yes, here is number 2. This is number 2. T-W-O-2. This is number 2. 2 is orange in color. T-W-O-2. Let's find number 3. I think in the blue bowl. Yes, this is number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. It's blue in color. This is number 3. It's blue in color. T-H-R-E-E 3. Let's find number 4. I think it's in the purple bowl. There it is. This is number 4. F-O-U-R 4. It's in purple color. This is number 4. It's purple in color. F-O-U-R 4. Let's find number 5. I think it's in the red bowl. There it is. This is number 5. Red in color. F-I-V-E 5. This is number 5. It's red in color. F-I-V-E 5. I can see the number 6. Here is. This is number 6. It's blue in color. S-I-X 6. This is number 6. It's blue in color. S-I-X 6. I can see number 7. Here. It's number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. It's green in color. This is number 7. It's green in color. S-E-V-E-N 7. Let's find number 8. It's here. This is number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. It's orange in color. This is number 8. It's orange in color. E-I-G-H-T 8. Let's find number 9. I think it is in the yellow bowl. Here is number 9. N-I-N-E 9. It is yellow in color. This is number 9. It's yellow in color. N-I-N-E 9. Let's find number 10 here. This is number 10. T-E-N 10. It's purple in color. This is number 10. It's purple in color. T-E-N 10. Number 11. Yes, here it is. This is number 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. It's red in color. This is number 11. It's red in color. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. The last number of the clock, 12. It's yellow. This is number 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. It's yellow in color. This is number 12. It's yellow in color. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Now find different shapes. The first shape of the puzzle is pentagon. Here is pentagon. This is pentagon. It's red in color. It has 5 sides. This is pentagon. It is red in color. Pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next shape is square. It's blue in color. This is square. It's blue in color. This is square. It's blue in color. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next is parallelogram. It's yellow. This is parallelogram. It's yellow in color. This is parallelogram. It's yellow in color. Next one is rectangle. I can see a green rectangle here. It's a green rectangle. This is rectangle. It is green in color. It has 4 sides. The next one is oval. Here it is. It's oval shape. It's orange in color. This is oval. It's orange in color. Next one is triangle. Here, it's purple in color. This is triangle. It's purple in color. This is triangle. It's purple in color. It has 3 sides. Let's find trapezoid. Here it is. It's yellow in color. This is trapeze or trapezoid. This is trapeze or trapezoid. It's yellow in color. Let's find cross. Yay! A cross and it's blue in color. This is cross. It's blue in color. The next one is hexagon. I can see a red hexagon here. It's a red hexagon. It has 6 sides. This is hexagon. It's red in color. The next one is kite. I can see an orange kite here. It's a kite shape. And it's orange in color. This is kite. It's orange in color. The next one is right angle triangle. Here, this is right angle triangle. And it's green in color. It's a right angle triangle. It's green in color. The next one is trefoil. It's trefoil. It's yellow in color. This is trefoil. It's yellow in color. The other one is crescent. It's here. This is crescent. It's blue in color. This is crescent. It's blue in color. The next one is semicircle. I can see that it's a semicircle. It's red in color. This is semicircle. It's red in color. This one is heart. Here it is. It's heart. It's purple in color. This is heart. It's purple in color. Next one is a star. Here it is. It's an orange star. This is star. It's orange in color. The next one is quatrefoil. It's here. This is quatrefoil. It's green in color. This is quatrefoil. It is green in color. Next one is octagon. It's yellow here. This is octagon. It's yellow in color. This is octagon. It has 8 sides. It is yellow in color. Next one is circle. This is blue in color and it's a circle. This is circle. It's blue in color. The last piece of the puzzle is rhombus. This is rhombus. It's red in color. This is rhombus. It's red in color. Thanks for learning numbers, shapes and colors with me. Bye-bye.